That's what I've been waiting for.
Very fortunate to study the volcanoes and get that look back is because there has been a lot of documentation of that.
Suppose we can stand.
So most volcanoes that exist in the world will never hit the ocean. Especially hit the ocean in a nice deep spot where you can pull up in a boat.
Feel that heat?
Wow.
Hot.
Geologists studying it. A lot of crystals, the radioactive properties. It's amazing how much since the 1970s we have learned about volcanoes. And can anybody tell me where the newest man on Earth is?
Right here.
Got it. Dan's going to hoist up a bucket of the ocean water.
How hot is that water?
I don't know how hot the water is. Well, basically you got 2,000 feet long and 70-degree ocean.
Here.
It comes out the Riscom in 2051. Has about a 40-degree temperature last year. It's built after 5 miles away from the coastline, this size ocean. They keep that water like that. It's going to have a long time. Now no swimming.
Can we go up? Yeah, the Cousteau Society came and dove this. These guys were telling me about these incredible dives they've done around the world. That this was the purest diving we ever did. I know the scariest dive I ever did was down here. I was actually working for the fire crew and the helicopter lost its brand new bucket. And so I told them, oh, I could go retrieve that. And he hovered me right over the spot. We went and got the fishing boat. He came down. The lava was just thundering in about 200 feet deep. We created a landslide.
Well, that's what I guess the scariest divers, right?
Yeah, we decided that this bucket was part of the ocean.
When it comes out, it's almost Make sure you're hanging on. I'm hanging on, don't worry. It'll be on YouTube today. Roxanne Beach right there.
Yeah. Still being
Wanna go
formed.
sunbathe a little bit?
It's still sharp too.
But it's still hot.
You can see that big chunk right there that broke off just recently. Big chunks always breaking off. You can see that the salt inside there underneath slowly cooling.